Hello guys, how you all doing today? So in this video we'll be learning how you can search for hot selling products that people are actually in demand for using Facebook. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to use some of the keywords that are applicable to those persons who advertise on Facebook, especially to our local market or audience. Okay, so you will see things like payment on delivery. Okay, so let's say payment on delivery. So right here you will see different posts from persons. Okay, you can see this right here. You can see this individual posting about hair product. So you check out the comments and see what people are saying. Can I get this in Saple? Please, where is your location, Lagos, and all that. So people are actually in need of hairs. All right, these are what I call weave-ons, okay, hair extensions. Okay, so people are actually in need of things like this, and you can easily get this from the sites that I always tell you guys about. Okay, and then you can see this also, but you don't want to consider something with very low engagement. Okay, so you can see that this is having very low engagement. So you can see though this actually is selling, something like this will actually sell for peel off. It usually sells, just that probably this individual is not promoting this the way he or she should. Okay, so you look down deeply and see what others are still doing. So you can see this person right here. Go into the comment section. They are all carried. Please, I'm not correct. Can you supply in large quantities? Um, Please, I need some. So you can see persons who actually need some of these kitchen gadgets. Okay, so you want to look deeply into some of these things to figure out which people are actually more in demand for. So you can see, please, I need the plate rank and all that. So you can go through all of that to find more on what people actually need. Okay, so let's look for another. Let's use another keyword. Okay, so let's say 50% off. Okay, let's say plus free shipping. I always like using this 50% off plus free shipping. All right, so you see something like this and is having 19k views and just posted 26, which is like 4 days ago, and you can see the engagement already on this. Okay, so please call me on this price and all that. Do you think people actually need something for mosquito in Nigeria, especially in this rainy season? Think about it. A lot of people will actually be in need of this, especially for those persons who have kids. All right, so and you can easily get this product. They are very cheap to get. Okay, I've always told you guys how to go about this. If you don't know how to go about this, you can send me a message. All right, or go through my profile or something and click on the link and you'll find access to the free information on how you can actually go about getting products like this. Okay, so you look a little bit deeper to find what you can actually offer. So you can see search for something like free delivery to Lagos. Okay, so let's say free delivery to Lagos. So you go a little bit deeper into this was posted 3 hours ago, and it has 13 comments already. You can see interested, um, okay, interested, and you can easily get these things so cheap and sell them at a very good. This person is selling it. Right, so this individual is selling these for 4,500 for a piece, and if you're getting 4 of them, it goes for 8,008. And I can tell you that all of this won't cost more than 2,000 naira. Okay, so you can imagine how much this individual is making. So you still want to go through what is here. Let's say videos. Let's look at the video section and see what's actually there. So right here you can see that you have different promotions. You can see another stuff for another promotion on mosquito. Okay, so you can just, it's gonna sell because of the season. All right, so you Go deeper, you can see this all-in-one diet of vegetable fruit slicer. Go deep and see what people are saying about it. So just go through all of these and dig deeper to see what will actually sell, what will actually work for you. So that's it, guys. I hope this helps you. Bye.